This is gonna blow your mind. Hey there, Minecraft fans. Welcome back to another exciting adventure in the world of blocks and creativity. Have you ever felt like you're trapped in a never-ending cycle of mining, crafting, and surviving? Day in and day out, it's the same routine. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to break free from the matrix in Minecraft. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to escape the mundane and discover something extraordinary. Imagine this. You're in your cozy little Minecraft world, following your usual routine. Everything seems normal, but then things start to feel off. The villagers are acting a bit strange. The creepers seem more aggressive, and the nights are longer and darker. Welcome to the Matrix. This is where your adventure truly begins. First things first, you need to locate the hidden structure filled with ancient knowledge and secrets about the Minecraft Matrix. This is no ordinary building. It holds the key to your escape. To find it, follow the clues left by the mysterious wanderers. These NPCs have been around for ages, leaving behind fragments of maps and cryptic messages. You'll need to collect a map fragment from each biome. This means venturing into deserts, jungles, and even the icy tundras. Each piece is crucial to your quest. Once you have all the fragments, piece them together to reveal the library's location. Now, gear up. You'll need enchanted armor and weapons because the path ahead is guarded by powerful mobs. As you approach the library, you'll face the sentinel mobs. These guys are no joke. Use your best tactics to defeat them and gain access to the library. Trust me, it's worth it. Inside the library, you'll find the Book of Realms. This ancient tome contains the knowledge to escape the Matrix. But beware, it's protected by a series of puzzles and traps. You'll need to use your wits and skills to navigate through. Each puzzle is a test of your Minecraft prowess. Once you reach the book, read its contents carefully. It will reveal a secret command that you need to type in the chat. This command will create a portal to the unknown. Now brace yourself. Stepping through this portal will change your Minecraft experience forever. Are you ready to see what's beyond the Matrix? As you step through, you'll find yourself in a new dimension. This place is vibrant, full of life, and completely different from what you've known. It's like stepping into a whole new game. Here you can start fresh, build without limits, and explore like never before. The possibilities are endless, and the adventures are just beginning. So there you have it, folks. Breaking free from the Matrix in Minecraft is an epic adventure that will push your skills to the limit. But the reward is a whole new world of possibilities. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic Minecraft adventures, and leave a comment if you've tried escaping the Matrix yourself. Until next time, happy crafting. SWATHUB.